everyone. I am so happy to have you here today. My kitchen has been feeling a little busy lately, so I decided to give my oven some much needed love and attention. There is something so therapeutic about cleaning, and I'm really excited to just relax and focus on making everything sparkle with you. I am using my favorite soft cloth and a gentle spray that smells absolutely amazing. It's like a fresh breeze in the kitchen. I start by wiping down the outside, getting rid of all those little fingerprints and smudges on the glass until it looks like a mirror again. It's so satisfying to see that glow come back. Then I move to the inside, gently cleaning the surfaces and making sure every corner is fresh and clear. I love the feeling of the cloth gliding over the smooth glass and metal. It's not just about cleaning, it's about taking care of the heart of my home. And there we go, all finished. My oven looks brand new again, and it makes me so happy every time I walk past it. Thank you so much for staying with me and sharing this peaceful cleaning moment. I hope this video gave you some cozy vibes or even a little bit of inspiration for your own space. I love you guys so much.